1 minute, 30 seconds to mill time.
Dead bow, back straight. Dead bow, back straight. Lane straight. Okay, dead bow, back straight. Dead boat, right hand turn, lane 2.
12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, commit baby, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Sure, just bring her in.
One minute, 45 seconds to mill time.
Okay, let's take it easy out there. Okay, we've got a 6 bar heat. Everybody's in the water.
30 seconds to mill time.
Okay, yellow boat out here in the front straight, dead.
4, 3, 2, 1.
White boat's over. That's the lap on you, Robert, for back straight, right, front lane 5. And you guys play nice. Last lap, David. Last lap, Mike. Last lap, Robert. Last lap, Kevin. Okay. First place, Holland. Second place, Malarkey. Third place, Holland. Fourth place, Schnebeling. Okay, come in easy. Without interfering with anybody else, you can cut the course if you want. Oh, you're scratching? Okay.